Hi, welcome to Deanery Close, Ripley, Derbyshire. My name is Duncan and I just wanted to give you a brief look at a selection of new build houses for sale on this lovely site in the Amber Valley. This is the beautiful Showhome, which you are welcome to visit, open Friday to Sunday 11 AM to 4 PM. And it's a nice demonstration of the generally high standards that Langridge Homes have always aimed for, especially with the customisation for customers of fittings, floorings, and just a wide variety of extras. We do have a video tour of this show home as well, which I will link to in the description. The house type of the show home is called the Keighley, and there is a property available on the site in that style, plot 202. Currently on the market for £450,000, and it really is a fabulous house. Okay, so the first property you can see on the right there is plot 186, and the house style is called the Fairbank, which is a 4-bedroom property. That one is actually currently reserved, but there is another Fairbank I can show you in a second. The next house you can see in the distance there is plot 185, the Kelsham. This is a 4-bedroom detached home, 1,234 square feet, with a single integral garage and parking on the drive for 2 cars, an open plan kitchen dining area with French doors to the south and east facing garden, lounge, cloakroom and utility room, 4 double bedrooms, family bathroom and ensuite to the master bedroom. Now, if you like a large garden, this plot is effectively a double-sized plot. It has a fantastic, very large, fully turfed garden, not overlooked at all, which backs onto a beautiful area of woodland called the Greenway, which I'll show you some of later in the video. Plot 185 does also come with many included extras. The kitchen is of a high specification, a white composite sink with upgraded tap, general appliance upgrades, a fridge freezer, dishwasher, plinth lighting, underwall unit lighting. Flooring is included, chosen from our range of flooring, extra power points, external lights and spotlights, premium chrome towel rails, wardrobes included to bedrooms 1 and 2. There is a dual shower head to the ensuite, those things are great, and an upgraded bathroom package. Plot 185 is currently on the market for £390,000. Important to note though that at the moment we are offering up to £10,000 discount off selected plots, and if you have a property to sell, we will pay your estate agency fees. Just contact our office for the specific details. Okay, so the next property here is plot 206, which is the Fairbank style I mentioned earlier. Again, a lovely 4-bedroom detached property of 1,384 square feet. Single detached garage just around the side there, with parking on the drive for 2 cars, open plan kitchen and dining area with French doors to the west facing garden, a double aspect lounge, cloakroom and utility room, 4 double bedrooms, family bathroom and ensuite to the master bedroom, and a fully fenced and turfed garden. Plot 206 is currently on the market for £410,000. Lovely looking house, that one. Next up is plot 207, the Everingham, which is a large 5-bedroom property of 1,531 square feet. It has a single integral garage with parking on the drive for 2 cars, open plan kitchen, dining, living space with French doors to the fully turfed west facing garden. It has a spacious lounge with cloakroom and utility room, 5 double bedrooms, family bathroom and ensuite to the master bedroom. Again, a choice of flooring from our range is included for free, and the current price for plot 207 is £420,000. Another lovely looking home there. Just to mention, if you were wondering about the condition of the road and the footpaths, these will have their final layer of tarmac adam applied once all the houses in that section are sold, to make everything look super clean and tidy. Okay, so the next property is just to the rear of plot 186. You can see it on the right there. So we just walk around the corner and see the fabulous Milford, which is plot 187. With a luxurious square footage of 1,617 feet, the Milford has a large integral single garage with parking on the drive for 2 cars, a feature entrance with a galleried landing, open plan kitchen, dining, living space with French doors to a fully turfed garden, a spacious lounge, cloakroom, utility and storage cupboard, 5 double bedrooms, family bathroom and ensuite to master bedroom. Included extras are once again a choice of flooring from our range, spotlights to dining area and a pendant light over the kitchen bar, 2 single ovens, a fridge freezer, dishwasher and a variety of appliance upgrades, extra power points and premium chrome towel rail in the cloakroom. This property really will make a great family home. The Milford is currently on the market for £440,000. Moving on, just next door to plot 188, the Newton. This is reserved at the moment, but it's always worth contacting our office to double check if that is still the case. The Newton has a square footage of 1,388 feet and is another beautiful 4-bedroom detached property with a very large private garden which backs onto the Greenway woodland area. It has a double detached garage with parking for at least 4 cars, open plan kitchen, dining area with French doors to the very large garden, lounge, study, cloakroom and utility room, 4 double bedrooms, family bathroom and ensuite to the master bedroom. Extras include many electrical extras, wardrobes to bedrooms 1 and 2, tiling and of course your choice of flooring throughout from our range. Dishwasher, fridge freezer included also. Another fabulous home in the making there. Now, I did speak of the Greenway. The Greenway is a woodland area, easily accessed as you can see here on the right, and is a 2-mile stretch cared for by the community to maintain wildlife, birds, insects, butterflies, flora and fauna, and to allow the wildlife to thrive. It is a lovely walk and a treasured part of the Ripley area. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of our site. There are a couple of other properties on this site not covered in the video, but if you wanted to see more, please visit www.langridgehomes.com or our email is sales@langridgehomes.com. Many thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.